love this movie. We've just got to enjoy this for a second. We're going to be talking about cars today, I believe, aren't we, Mark?
Yes, sir.
All right, good. I got to get to the main title part of this. Just a couple more seconds. I can't wait to hear your story.
It's a story.
So there you go, Mark. Life is a highway and I want to ride it all night long. Guys, that is Mark D. Hutchison, the Ask Mark Realtor, Homes, Tips, and Hints. I'm Mark D'Andrea, the doctor of Real Estate Anything Home. I believe, based upon our opening theme, that we're probably going to be talking about cars and maintenance and breaking down and stuff like that. Guys, if you like these videos, we certainly like bringing them to you. We hope they're entertaining and informational. Smash that like button, share them on all your social media platforms. Mark has a YouTube channel. It's the Ask Mark Realtor, and I also have one. It's Dr. Real Estate One. Mark, how are you today? And tell us all about cars.
I'm doing well. Things are good. I have a new vehicle. The other one we donated to Vehicles for Vets. It's a charity. They come and pick up the car. They have a mechanic that donates their time and fixes it and then gives it to a vet in need that's struggling. So I always support vets.
What a great story. I love it. Go ahead. Sorry to interrupt.
So we've been doing the DIY, do it yourself. Part of do it yourself is when you have a contract that's for like a towing company. It's nice to have a contract with a towing company, but do you know who that is? Are they local? Is it a one-person operation? You need to find out who the towing company is. It's just like when you have a contract for your HVAC, who do they use? You got to find out to make sure they're reputable. Friday, my vehicle thermostat stuck for the second time, and I'm stuck on the freeway. My wife come to bring me antifreeze and stuff, and it sort of worked. I spent 8 hours trying to get a tow truck to come to tow my vehicle 12.1 miles. I wound up driving so long, it got heated. I would pull off, let it cool down. I did that like 5 times while waiting on 4 different tow trucks that never showed. The issue is, what I found out is my insurance company contracted out with these pop-up LLCs that does towing, and whenever they get a call for like a 911, they have to go there, and that's maybe their only tow truck, and therefore I'm left struggling. So you need to find out who do they use. Do some research. My regular tow company, I told them who it was. They'd never heard the guy. They had no idea who it was, and they said, "Oh, there's all kinds of pop-ups." And they're just one-person operations, and they're not credible. So we need to look at all of our contracts where we have a contractor to do repair, find out who the heck it is, and do some research. Because whenever an HVAC issue comes to my house, when I used to have a homeowner warranty, I never used theirs. I said, "They're terrible. I'm going to use mine, and I'll send you the bill." And they said, "Okay."
Well, let me interpret what I just heard. And I'm sorry you went through that. That was not fun. And you and I were texting each other while it was happening because I was concerned about you, and I appreciate you keeping in touch with me. So my family has always used AAA. And so far, knock on wood, we've not had any issues with AAA. We've normally been able to get a tow truck to wherever the family member was within 45 minutes to an hour. They're really good about it. You just show them your card. They take your license number and tow you wherever you want to go. I've ridden in a number of tow trucks. They brought me home. So it's gone well, but I absolutely understand what you're trying to say. Guys, it's important. Make sure you know your contractors. We do support small businesses on this channel for sure. So all of these pop-up LLC tow truck drivers, don't take this offensively. We would just love to know that you're out there for us as best you can be. So we support small businesses. You'd like to know who your vendors and contractors are. Make sure that you're getting the help that you need. And certainly taking 8 hours to get this all done. I feel badly for you. I'm sorry. Again, AAA has always treated us well. Guys, make sure you know your contractors on any DIY situation. And cars are the same thing, right? I mean, it makes sense to me. Any final thoughts, Mark?
Just do your due diligence, you know, because when you need your contractor, you need them. It's an emergency. You're in dire straits. So don't wait. Do it now.
You're absolutely right. Guys, that is Mark D. Hutchison, the Ask Mark Realtor, Homes, Tips, and Hints. We happen to be talking about cars today. I'm Mark D'Andrea, the doctor of real estate, anything home. If you like these videos, again, share them on social media. Mark, thanks for sharing your story. I'm sorry you went through that. I hope you have a great rest of your day. And let's just end this with this. Because you want to drive your car all night long and not be stuck on the side of the road. Mark, have a great day. Talk to you soon.
Thanks. You too.